In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can arrange your bookmarks and organize them in folders on Firefox browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, as you can see, if you go over here, you can open all your folders that you have. And as you can see, I have quite a number of folders, and these folders contains some of the websites that I've bookmarked. If I go ahead and click on each, you can see they contain quite a number of pages that I have just bookmarked. So I'd like to go ahead and show you how I created these folders and how I added bookmarks and how I added pages that I bookmarked in these folders. Now, suppose you have a plain Firefox page like this. I'd like to go ahead and add a bookmark here. So I'd like to go ahead and bookmark this page and then add it to one of the bookmark folders. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this bookmark option and then tap on it. And then you'll have to choose the location. You can either just leave it on bookmark menu, or you can go ahead and choose any of the folder that you have created to bookmark it. Let me show you the two methods. So first, I'll just go ahead and add it to the bookmark menu and then save it. Now, if I come here to display or to see all my bookmarks, you can see we have our page added, but it is not in any of these folders. To add this page to any of these folders, long press on it and then move it to where you want it to be. For instance, maybe I want it to be under tools. I can just go ahead and leave it there, and now you can see it has been added here. So if I go back, you can see it has been now moved to that folder. Alternatively, you can go ahead and bookmark any page and then create a folder later and add the bookmark page on it. So if I go ahead and bookmark this, and now you can see it does not belong to any of this folder, we can create a folder for its own. For instance, I can go ahead and create another folder, and to do so, just right click on bookmark menu, and then go ahead and tap on add folder to give your folder a name. For instance, I want this to store AI bookmarks, so I'll go ahead and add here, and now I can go ahead and add it on this folder. Now you can see if I click on it, it will display the bookmark that is inside. So I have created a folder and added the bookmark. Now in the last method, you can bookmark and straight away choose the folder you want the bookmark to be added. For that, just go ahead and click on bookmark icon, which is this, and then go ahead and choose location. For this, I'll go ahead and tap on this drop down arrow. My folder that I want to add this is under bookmark menu. So if I go ahead and click on it, it will display all the folders that I have. I'll go ahead and choose the one I want and click on it, then save. And immediately, if I go ahead and now go to AI folder, you can see the bookmark has been added. So that's how you can add your bookmarks to folders on Firefox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.